Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are making my favorite breakfast item, sausage balls. These are the best sausage balls ever, and I'm so excited for you to have this recipe, so let's go ahead and get right on into the video. Also, make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video to go ahead and hear who's the giveaway winner. First thing I did was I went ahead and preheated my oven to 350 degrees. Now I'm going to take a big mixing bowl and add mild sausage, and I'm going to do the whole package of it. And you can also use hot, and sometimes we'll do like half of the hot sausage, half of the mild, but it just kind of depends on whatever you want. But for me, I don't like the whole package of hot, because in the morning I'm like, ooh, I don't really want that much spicy stuff. And next, I'm going to add in 2 cups of Bisquick. I'll probably do just a little bit less than that. A lot of different recipes, they go ahead and cook the sausage before that they put it in the oven, but we like to wait. I think it makes it taste like crispier and better and, you know, more flavorful and stuff. So I always recommend waiting and putting in the oven because it tastes a lot better to me. So now I'm going to shred about 8 ounces of cheddar cheese, and we always shred our cheese ourselves because we think it makes the sausage rolls like more moist and not as dry. So we'll go ahead and do that. Okay, so it ended up being about 3 cups of cheese, and now I'm gonna go ahead and add about a half cup of water. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and add in half a cup of water and blend this all together. This is actually the only recipe I've seen that uses water in the sausage balls, but I think it makes a huge difference. So now that's all mixed up, I'm gonna go ahead and lightly grease a pan and start making the balls. That's about how big I make them. I'm gonna pop these in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so they just came out of the oven. I actually cooked them for about 17 minutes. And here's what they look like. Y'all, these are so good. I really have to watch myself so I don't eat the whole pan, because they are like amazing. Okay, so the giveaway winner is Sharon Chastain. Thank you so much just for subscribing to my channel and sharing my videos. And thank you so much for the support. So I'm gonna go ahead and be getting that to you today. She won this little wavy dip. And so at my 20th video, I'll do another giveaway. So make sure that you all are subscribed and sharing my videos and liking them, so you can also win something just like Sharon did. These are seriously like melt in your mouth good. Like, they're that good. I love these so much. But bye guys, thanks so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and also subscribe to my channel for the giveaway so you can get that on my 20th video. Congrats to our giveaway winner this time. But bye.